What sparks joy for you? Is it spark joy? We are going to dive in and clarify what sparks joy in your life. Hi everyone, it's nice to see you again. Today I continue the KonMari method in the second part. Keep watching. I have entire video series upcoming. All about decluttering and bring joy to your house. The most success for the KonMari method is tidy by category, not by locations. The secret is starting with the most accessible variety. Next, you hone your decision-making skills and clarify what sparks joy for you. Start with clothes, then books, then papers or documents, then miscellaneous items, and finally with sentimental items. We will gather all items from every corner of your house by category and make them in a big pile of books. For example, it needs to have everything you own in one place. Next, you can dive into the nitty-gritty of tidying the KonMari way. Focus on what you keep, what sparks joy. Discard with gratitude. Thank it for its service and for enhancing your life. Give everything a home. Store similar items close together. And keep storage solutions simple. I was tidying by location before, but it keeps repeating the same thing in other sites again and again. When I clean by category, even it hard to gather all belongings in one place. But the result after dive into the KonMari way, it is easier for me to organize as they have a home. The most step that I love is to keep what sparks joy and let it go to the belonging that completes its services. If you enjoy watching the video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. We do a video daily about decluttering and design your home happier. Thank you for watching until the end. See you and have a nice day.